Assalamualaikum. Hello friends, we would like to present our presentation about anthropological approach.
Okay, fine. Anthropology is the science of human and society. Therefore, anthropology is divided into physical anthropology and cultural anthropology, which are now developing into cultural studies. And then, literary anthropological approach. In relation to literature, cultural anthropology is divided into two fields, namely anthropology with verbal and nonverbal objects. However, the literary anthropological approach has more to do with verbal objects. Kinds of anthropologies. Anthropology embraces four primary fields of study. There, number one is biological anthropology. Biological anthropology, as known as physical anthropology, is a scientific discipline concerned with the biological and behavioral aspects of human beings, their extinct hominin ancestor, and related non-human primates, particularly from a evolutionary perspective. Then number two is cultural anthropology. Cultural anthropology is a branch of anthropology focused on the study of cultural variation among humans. And number three is linguistic anthropology. Linguistic anthropology is the interdisciplinary study how language influences social life. And number four is archaeology. Archaeology is the study of human activity through the recovery and analysis of material culture.
And the next is about topic of anthropological approach. The first topic is narrative aspect of literary works from different cultures. And the second topic is myth forms and religious system in literature. And the third topic is archaic forms in literary work put in the context of individuals' work and generation. And the next is research on narrative aspect from the earliest epic to the most modern novels. And the last is the influence of myths, religious system, and other primordial image on popular culture. Okay, and the next is example of novel with anthropological approach is novel Ronggolawe with the title Mendung in Langit Mojopahit by Kesta Bayu Adi. And in this novel have four aspects, and the first is linguistic aspect. In this novel tells that all people use Napa Javanese language and a call of honor to a more respected person or leader. And the second aspect is religion aspect. In this novel, that group the ceremonial or intoxication of the body dead, which was then the ashes floated in the river and also traced to Sanghyang Windy. Okay, and the next aspect is social aspect. In this novel, that not all figures have good and high social, like King Wilwatikta Dia Wijaya and Sahasika, and some are low figures such as Halayuda who attach too much important personal interest, thus giving rise to civil war. And the last aspect is about political aspect. In this novel tells that the war is still used because it's rule to get a position, and the attitude of the leader is different. There is a good purpose and also bad purpose to reach high position in kingdom. Thank you. That's
Okay,
all
fine.
about our presentation.
That's all our presentation about anthropological approach. I'm sorry if we have a lot of mistakes.
The last we say
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.